This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, voice recognition, a sunroof, a 3-zone climate control system so that each front seat as well as rear seat passengers can set temperature settings to their own comfort level, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, LED backlit gauges, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.